Benefits of fenugreek seeds for diabetes. Fenugreek seeds have been used in traditional herbal medicine for centuries. Now modern science is backing up their effectiveness in healing the body, especially when it comes to treating diabetes. In this video, we look at what fenugreek is and why it is so effective in helping you control your blood sugar levels. You will also discover how to add the seeds to your diet for a therapeutic effect. What is fenugreek? Fenugreek is a plant which grows in Europe and Western Asia. The leaves can be eaten, but it is the small brown seeds that are famous for their use in medicine. The first recorded use of fenugreek was in Egypt, dating all the way back to 1500 BC. Across the Middle East and South Asia, the seeds were traditionally used as both a spice for cooking and in herbal medicine. There are various ways you can buy fenugreek, such as in the form of a spice, in whole or powdered form, as a supplement, in concentrated pill and liquid form, or even as a tea. How can fenugreek help with diabetes? Fenugreek seeds have been proven to be helpful for people with diabetes. The seeds contain fiber and other chemicals that slow digestion and the body's absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. An inability to deal with carbohydrates and sugar is one of the key elements in the progression of diabetes. The seeds can also help to improve how the body uses sugar and increases the amount of insulin that is released by the pancreas. Several medical studies support fenugreek as an effective treatment for certain health conditions. Many of these studies focus on the seed's ability to lower blood sugar in people suffering from diabetes. One 2009 study found that a daily intake of 10 grams of fenugreek seeds soaked in hot water can help to control type 2 diabetes. Those who took the seeds recorded on average a 30% decrease in blood sugar levels. Another small 2009 study showed that eating baked goods such as bread made with fenugreek flour can also reduce insulin resistance in people with type 2 diabetes. How to add the seeds into your diet. Fenugreek seeds have a bitter, nutty taste. They are often used in spice blends. Indian recipes use them in curries, pickles, and sauces. You can also drink fenugreek tea or sprinkle powdered fenugreek over yogurt. However, the simplest way to take them and the method that is most often used in medical studies is to soak the seeds in plain water. To do this, take 10 grams of fenugreek seeds and soak them in hot water for at least 2 hours. Some people like to soak them overnight, then just drink the mixture. Do this for at least 2 weeks to start seeing results. If you suffer from diabetes and are not sure how to use fenugreek, ask your dietitian to help you add it to your current diabetes meal plan. Other benefits of fenugreek. There haven't been any serious or life-threatening side effects or complications connected with fenugreek. A 2007 study even found that fenugreek can protect your liver from the effects of toxins. Another study in 2009 found that fenugreek can stop the growth of cancer cells and act as an anti-cancer herb. Fenugreek can also help alleviate the symptoms of dysmenorrhea. This condition causes severe pain for women during menstrual cycles. Are fenugreek supplements safe? The Food and Drug Administration and other worldwide health bodies have not evaluated or approved fenugreek supplements. Because it is a supplement rather than a medicine, the manufacturing process isn't regulated, so there may be undiscovered health risks. Also, as with all unregulated supplements, you cannot be sure that the herb and amount listed on the label are what is actually contained in the supplement. So the best advice is to use the seeds of the plant directly. Are there any risks associated with fenugreek seeds? The amounts of fenugreek used in cooking are generally considered very safe. However, women with hormone-sensitive cancers should avoid using too much. When taken in very large doses, side effects can include gas and bloating, but these subside over time. Fenugreek can also react with several medications, especially with those that treat blood clotting disorders and diabetes. Talk to your doctor before taking fenugreek if you're on these types of medication. Your doctor may need to lower your diabetes medication doses to avoid low blood sugar. Pregnant women shouldn't use fenugreek because it may induce uterine contractions. The medical literature states that there isn't enough information about the safety of fenugreek for women who are breastfeeding, and that women with hormone-sensitive cancers shouldn't use fenugreek. Some people report a sweet smell coming from their armpits after extended use. Fenugreek can also cause allergic reactions. Talk to your doctor about any food allergies you might have before adding fenugreek to your diet. The fiber in fenugreek can also make your body less effective at absorbing medications taken by mouth. Don't use fenugreek within a few hours of taking oral medications. Holistic treatment for diabetes. For best results in combating diabetes, you need to combine fenugreek seeds with other lifestyle changes. Keeping your blood sugar at normal levels is essential to maintaining a high quality of life with diabetes. You can help your body maintain healthy blood glucose levels by making the following changes. Stick to a diet of minimally processed foods and high amounts of fiber, such as whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. Choose lean protein sources and healthy fats, and avoid excessive processed meat. Avoid excessive amounts of sweetened foods and sweetened drinks. Ensure you are active at least half an hour a day, at least 5 days a week. Taking medications can also help you keep your blood sugar at healthy levels by controlling your body's creation of insulin. Talk to your doctor if you have questions about medications used to treat the condition.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time.